Hello, everybody. I am trying to record a new video because the other one you couldn't hear. So I have my old headphones. So I'm at the airport. So it might be a little loud. Hopefully, you can hear me. I'm going to make this kind of short and just go over explanations. But yeah, I'm at the Orlando airport and I'm getting ready to fly to Louisville, Kentucky, where I'm going to be meeting my son Caleb, who is writing a movie. He has written a movie script, and um, so yeah, he's filming it in my hometown. That's the setting, and so I'm going and helping him interview and so forth. So it's really cool that to be a part of this process with my son. But you're here to talk about your assignments. So I'm going to do my best to share the screen here. And I just want to go over with you your assignments. So I'm going to Module 7. And under the Learn section, let me go under that. So I'm at the Learn section. And if you look under the Learn section, you have 5 articles. And these are new articles that I just added to the class. So hopefully they'll be ones that you really like. You need to select one of these articles for your second Insights, Resources, and Application assignment. So this module is about teaching diverse learners. And so I tried to find some articles around that. One is called Teaching Remotely Without Being Distant. And the reason I put that in there is I know a lot of you teach remotely, and so I thought that might be a good article for you to do. The next one is toward a multilingual perspective. Sorry if it's noisy. Empowering reading with home language text, differentiated reading groups, and delivering on the promise of the science of reading. That's a really good article. So you'll pick one of those, read that, and then for your major assignment, you're going to do an Insights, Resources, and Application. If you remember from the first one you did, read the article and you explain insights that you got from the article. Then you need to have a section where you talk about additional resources that you would like to add to what you have already read, and then how you can apply it. So that's the major assignment for Module 6. The other assignment is, if you go down here, it says there are some resources, and these are all different kinds of websites that have to do with diversity of children's books and so forth. And so you need to pick one of these. So I'm just going to randomly go to one. I guess I won't randomly go to one. So actually I will. So I just went to this one. Let me see. I'm trying to do this with one screen, and I'm not used to that. I'm used to having many screens. So here's an example of one of the websites, and it has 10 criteria for choosing diverse text for your classroom, and it gives you lots of different those criteria. So that could be one of the websites that you do. So what you're going to do for your assignment is you are going to, and let me go back so I can read it to you. So for this assignment, you have your IRA, your Insights, Resources, and Application paper, and then the set for your discussion post, it has 2 parts. So I found it. Let me show you guys that. So it has 2 parts. The first part is describe a specific group of diverse learners in your context. This could be children from a high socioeconomic background. For me, I work with Native American children. You pick what you want to read about. Describe that group of diverse learners. What method or methods do you plan to use to meet the literacy needs of your defined group of diverse learners? Support that method with scientifically based research evidence. And then the second part of your discussion post is select one of the websites that I just showed you and write a summary of the website and then just a brief application. So those are the 2 things that you're going to do. I normally would have a little teaching, which I did in my other unit, or my other one that you couldn't hear. But since I'm at the airport, I'm not going to do that. So those are the 2 assignments. Don't forget that in Module 8, that's where you have your philosophy of literacy paper. So I would go ahead and start looking at that, preparing for that. That's your other really big assignment. So you guys are almost done. This is Module 7. I'm really proud of you. Keep up the good work. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. Thank you.